In today's video, I'll show you how to turn any photo into a video by adding basic camera movements using Higgsfield AI. Let's begin. First, you want to head over to the Higgsfield website. It's going to be a link in the description for that. And here, go to Video and select Create Video. On this page, import your photo by pressing on this box and then click on Change. Under the Higgsfield DOP section, you have this group called Basic Camera Control. You can also type in the effect you are looking for in the search bar. Let's scroll down a bit and load some more. Then I'm going to start off with Zoom In. If you want, you can add an end frame to your video as well. Here you can type a prompt or leave it empty to let Higgsfield handle that. And here you have a few settings and the duration of your video. Once you're ready, click Generate. I'm also going to look for the zoom out effect to generate another version, and then I'll use the search bar to find the 360 orbit effect. And once the video is ready, you can play it to see the result and download it using this button. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.